In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete messages in Slack. Whether you're correcting a typo or removing an outdated message, managing your communications effectively is key to keeping your Slack workspace organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Slack. You can do this by opening up your browser or using the dedicated Slack app if you have it downloaded. Once you've arrived at the main Slack interface, it's time to log in. Slack offers several convenient sign-in options, so you'll have the choice of using your email credentials, or if you prefer, your Google or Apple account. Make sure you use the method associated with your current Slack account to access your workspaces smoothly. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the workspaces you're a part of. Each workspace represents a unique team or project you belong to. Click on the workspace where you need to make your edits or deletions. You'll then see your workspace channels and direct messages. Next, locate the specific conversation that contains the message you wish to edit or delete. This could be a channel where team discussions are held or a direct message with an individual colleague. Click on that conversation to bring up the message thread. Once you've found your message, hover over it to reveal additional options. Look for the small icon that resembles an ellipsis, often referred to as the More Options button, which is usually positioned on the right-hand side of the message. Click on this icon to see what actions you can take. If you're looking to update a message with new information or correct a mistake, select the Edit Message option from the list. This will allow you to modify the text directly. Once you've made your changes, don't forget the crucial step. Click on Save to apply the edits. This ensures your updated message reflects in the conversation thread. Alternatively, if you need to remove a message entirely, select the Delete Message option. Slack will prompt you to confirm this action, giving you a moment to reconsider. When you're sure that deletion is the right step, click Delete once more to permanently remove the message from that conversation. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently edit or delete messages in Slack, ensuring your communications remain clear and current. Remember, these tools are designed to help you maintain a tidy and effective workspace, minimizing any potential confusion that might arise from outdated or incorrect information. With this knowledge in your toolkit, you can collaborate and communicate more confidently in Slack.